So fourth problem we are taking under the polar curves, we have to find the angle between the radius vector as well as the tangent, right? So basically we have to find phi value. So how to find phi value? We have to first get what 1 by r dr by d theta, then only we can write, or in terms of r into d theta by dr also is fine because both are equal to, and that is not needed, right? Okay. So first step is to take log on both sides. So if I take log here, what happens? Log L by R equal to log of 1 plus E cos theta. Okay. Now we are having the formula for what? Log M by N. What is the formula? Log M minus log N. This is the formula, right? So what will happen? Here I can apply M by N. So log L minus log R equal to RHS as it is, so log 1 plus E cos theta, right? Okay, fine. After simplifying this, what you have to do? We have to do the second step, which is to differentiate with respect to theta. Very important. With respect to theta, what will happen? Log R differentiation. See, L is nothing but a constant value. So if you differentiate also, it will be 0. So 0 minus log R differentiation will be what? 1 by R. So I'll write the formula for that also. So differentiation of theta, the differentiation of log theta with respect to theta will be equal to 1 by theta. You might have studied log x, it's the same as 1 by x, right? So here 1 by r, but in place of theta, who is sitting? R is sitting, right? So here r is sitting. So I have to differentiate again. So it will be dr by d theta. Simple chain rule. Now equal to here log theta, 1 by theta or 1 by x. So 1 by 1 plus e cos x or cos theta here. So this particular thing again I have to differentiate. Because in place of theta 1 plus e cos theta is sitting. So chain rule, it will be differentiation of this particular function 1 plus e cos theta, right, with respect to theta. Now what is the formula for that? We'll discuss. So this part will be what? Minus 1 by r dr by d theta is equal to, now this particular thing you differentiate. Differentiation of 1 is what? 0. Differentiation of e cos theta. Cos theta differentiation is what? Minus sin theta. So it will become minus e sin theta divided by 1 plus e cos theta. Simple. Next is this particular thing, if you observe, minus minus sign cancel. This particular thing can be written as, see, cot phi can be represented as 1 by r dr by d theta. So in place of this thing I can write cot. So this can be written as cot phi. So this is how you are going to get the answer, right? This phi angle will give you the answer for this thing. So cot phi is equal to e sin theta divided by 1 plus e cos theta. The problem is that this particular thing cannot be simplified further because e term is sitting over there. No, the phi angle anyways you required, you can simply write it as cot inverse of e sin theta by 1 plus e cos theta. Or in other words, if you have to write tan, see, cot phi is what? This one. You can write it as tan phi, which is nothing but the reciprocal of cot phi, 1 plus e cos theta by e sin theta. So from this is basically OR option. Okay. From this, phi angle becomes tan inverse of 1 plus e cos theta divided by e sin theta. This is also fine. So both the answers are correct. So if you are not getting from RHS term, see what you have to do. RHS term has to be brought in which form? You have to get it in cot form, or tan also is fine because you can convert tan into cot into tan, right? So because we have to, since we have to cancel this and get the value of phi, we have to bring cot here also, tan is also fine. But we are not able to get this function in terms of cot or tan. That's why we are writing cot inverse of this particular thing to get the answer for what? Phi, which is the angle between the radius vector and the tangent.